Imagine waking up to find out that half of your country has entered a state of emergency. Roads covered in ice, empty store shelves, canceled flights, and temperatures cold enough to put lives at risk. This is not a movie scene. This is happening right now in the United States. A historic winter storm is sweeping across the country, threatening more than 230 million people. State governments are racing against time as authorities issue clear warnings. The danger is real, and it can be deadly. The massive weather system began forming over the Rocky Mountains and the Great Plains, moving quickly through the South and the Midwest. Forecasts show the storm reaching the East Coast, pushing north toward Maine, and leaving behind snow, hail, freezing rain, and extreme cold. Meteorologists say some regions could see more than 30 centimeters of snow, with sub-zero temperatures lasting for days, even in states unaccustomed to prolonged Arctic cold. So far, 16 states and Washington, D.C. have declared states of emergency. Among them are Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and New York. These declarations allow governments to release emergency funds, mobilize response teams, and attempt to reduce the impact of what is already being described as a historic storm. Tension is spreading quickly across affected areas. Long lines have formed at grocery stores, shelves are being emptied, and residents are rushing to stock up on water, food, blankets, fuel, and generators. The American Red Cross has warned of extended power outages, especially in southern states where extreme cold is rare and infrastructure is less prepared. The greatest threat is not just snow, but freezing rain. Thick layers of ice are expected to form, making roads nearly impassable, knocking down power lines and severely limiting emergency response efforts. Authorities are urging people to avoid unnecessary travel and to remain indoors whenever possible. The storm has also disrupted air travel across the country. More than 1,400 domestic flights have already been canceled. Airlines such as Delta Airlines have advised passengers to rebook their trips, warning that operations could be severely impacted in regions including the Ohio Valley, Tennessee, Atlanta, and the northeastern United States. In response to the growing crisis, the FEMA activated its National Response Coordination Center and paused planned staff reductions to ensure disaster assistance can continue. In New York, officials are preparing for a potentially historic snowfall, one of the most severe the state has seen in years. As the storm advances, former President Donald Trump once again questioned global warming on social media. Climate experts, however, emphasize that extreme events like this are consistent with the climate crisis, which is increasing instability in weather patterns and intensifying both heat waves and extreme cold. Meteorologists warn that more than 100 million people could experience below-zero temperatures in the coming days. Authorities continue to stress the same message: avoid travel, prepare for power outages, and prioritize safety. These precautions can save lives. This storm is more than just a weather event. It exposes the fragility of infrastructure, the consequences of climate change, and the urgent need to prepare for increasingly extreme conditions. As the cold continues to spread, one question remains: are we truly ready for this new climate reality? If this video helped you understand the seriousness of the situation, leave a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Information saves lives.